Today, we're discussing the 2024 Social Security COLA predictions. We'll dive a bit into the Medicare Part B premiums for next year. And most importantly for you all who are tuning in, how will this impact your purchasing power in 2024? The Social Security COLA impacts your buying power. In 2024, there's predictions that COLA will take a steep decline down from 8.7%. I'm Oded Iran, co-founder and CEO of Connie Health. I'm joined here today by my co-founder and president of Connie Health, Mr. David Luna. At Connie Health, we help you save money and get better care. Our team of local agents can help you find the best plan for your needs and help you navigate the maze that is Medicare. Hey, David, before we dive in, maybe give our viewers some background. What is COLA?
Yeah, hello everybody. So thank you for joining our video here. So COLA is what it's normally called. It's actually cost of living allowance for those of you who do not know that, but it's pretty common to call it COLA. So COLA is an increase to that is based on inflation. So for example, your Social Security takes the 3 months, July, August, and September into consideration, follows the inflation, and then comes up with a number related to the inflation. And that's how every year you get an increase or it remains stable, if you will, on your Social Security checks.
Thank you for that intro, David. And maybe cut the chase. What are the predictions for this year?
So good question, Oded. So I want to be real clear. These are predictions, estimates, if you will. It's right around 3%. So meaning average, you're going to see an increase of maybe $55, $57 increase in your paycheck every month. And so again, those are calculated. Now, I will let you know that in July, the inflation is around 2.5. In August, it's a little over 3%. So we don't know what's going to happen in September, but it looks like it's creeping up. It may be more than 3%, but we're looking at 3% as far as an estimate for 2024.
Thank you. And David, this is like last year, it was 8.7%. So that's quite a change. Why? What's the reason? What's the logic behind it?
Yeah, again, Oded, it's inflation, right? So, last year, bad year. I mean, in July, August and September, those inflation rates were pretty high. Buying power was down. And so, the ending number was 8.7%. Now, that hasn't happened in 40 years. So that's pretty amazing. I would not predict that it's going to remain at that level. Again, it's been 40 years since we've had an 8% increase.
Definitely kind of echoing the levels of inflation we all witnessed last summer. So, maybe most importantly for our viewers, what does this mean in terms of their purchasing power, in terms of their buying power for next year?
Look, things, are really looking up. Pre-pandemic, right? You're looking at, 2021, a 2% inflation increase. In 2022, it went up to around 3%. And then, of course, in 2023, 8.7%, again, unheard of. And then now in 2024, we're looking at 3%. So, what you should be looking at is not necessarily that you're getting less, but that your buying power has increased. Inflation is leveling out. So I think, for, anybody that is Medicare eligible or anybody that is receiving Social Security benefits, it actually is a good sign that inflation is actually leveling out to pre-pandemic years.
That's great to hear. And what does this mean? Do we have predictions for Part B for next year? That's obviously a big expenditure for seniors on Social Security.
Yes. Well, again, this is also an estimate. It's being estimated at 174.80. Today we're at 164.90. 2024, the estimate is 174.80. Again, that could change. We won't get the exact numbers until sometime in October. But so you're looking at approximately a $10 increase.
Thank you. And maybe I'll flip it to our viewers. What do you think about the 3.2% COLA and the $10 Part B increase predictions? We'd love to hear from you. Leave your thoughts in the comments. As always, Connie Health is here to help you thrive your Medicare journey. If you like this video, be sure to click on the subscribe button. I'm Oded Iran, here with David Luna. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Thank you.
Have a great day.